Everybody needs to belong somewhere. Life can feel so alone without someone who cares. And when life becomes something just to get through, that's when I'm glad that I belong to you. I belong to you. I belong to you. You're the one who will never let me down, won't let me down. I belong to you. I belong to you. Sometimes life brings more pain than we can bear alone. When hope is gone and I have no strength to stand on my own. When nothing helps, there's nothing that I can